Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most stylish, trending, and top-rated products. And today, we've got something extra special for all the ladies out there. If you're looking for the best pink shoes women heels, you found them. Let's talk about the Dream Pair's women's chunk low-heel pump sandals, a #1 bestseller in women's heeled sandals on Amazon. With a 3-inch chunky heel, you get the perfect amount of lift without compromising stability. Whether you're heading to a wedding, a night out, or just want to elevate your casual style, these shoes are made to turn heads, without making your feet cry for help. What really adds to the comfort is the thoughtfully designed structure. The outsole is slip-resistant, so you can walk confidently without worrying about those awkward slips on polished floors or sidewalks. The heel is wide enough to balance your step but sleek enough to maintain a stylish silhouette. The adjustable ankle strap with a delicate buckle not only offers a secure fit but gives you that tailored feel. No matter your ankle size, this strap helps mold the sandal to your foot, ensuring you feel locked in without being restricted. Now, let's talk material. The outer material is all about that glam factor, glitter. The pair we're showcasing today is in pink, and the sparkle is just the right amount to catch the light, not blind your friends. It brings that festive shimmer that's perfect for parties, date nights, or just when you're feeling fabulous. The platform height is about 0.15 inches, subtle, but enough to add a touch of support underneath the balls of your feet, reducing pressure over time. Now what's really exciting about this product is the variety it comes in. While this video focuses on the stunning pink glitter option, Dream Pairs offers a full palette, from classic suede finishes to patent leather-like styles. So no matter your vibe, classic elegance or sparkle queen, there's a version that fits your taste. Let's summarize: you're getting a secure fit, stable heels, anti-slip soles, eye-catching glitter, and a price point that screams value. Whether you're stepping onto a dance floor, walking down the aisle, or just heading to brunch, the Dream Pair's chunk low-heel pump sandals are the pink statement heels your wardrobe has been waiting for. So if you're ready to sparkle without the stumble, check out the link in the description. And if you've worn these before or are planning to grab a pair, drop us a comment. We'd love to know your favorite color or how you'd style them. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review of the hottest products online. See you in the next one.